Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off or disable chat during a Google Meet. If you'd like to turn on or off the Google Meet chat function, but you don't know how, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Started by opening up a web browser and in the address bar at the top typing google.com and press enter. Log into your Google Media account if necessary. And once you're in, go ahead and start a new meeting. Click on the new meeting button and let me select start an instant meeting in order to show it to you. Now you can go ahead and add people on your meeting. Click on add others, enter the email that you'd like to add and click on send email to send an invitation to one of the contact. Now once the participant joins into the meeting, simply go to the bottom of the screen and click on this three dots. From the menu that appears, click on settings. Now from the left-hand side panel, click on Host Controls. You end up in this pop-up. Remember that only hosts have access to these controls. So in order to disable the chat option on your Google Meet, up a host to a meeting now. Right way say send chat messages, simply disable the button. And now you have successfully turned off the chat option on a Google Meet. To enable the chat, you can simply press the same button, and that way you can easily turn on and off the chat option on your Google Meet multiple times. That is how you'll be able to do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us, as soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Again, thank you for watching.